Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing another review on the longest gun that we have in our house. Well, so you guys maybe are wondering, hold up, when this happens, okay. Oh, okay, that was weird. Alright, so if you don't know what this gun is, it is a beauty. Today we will be doing three things: firing test, how hard this gun can shoot, and accuracy. And after this, we will do something that you may like to do with some guns. I'll make a part two. Break this. Yeah, I'll make a part two, and I will be putting attachments on this, different kinds, and you guys are gonna comment down below which style do you like.
I hope you know it's another part 2.
Hey,
It's called a combo video.
you're kind of look at the Asian. You're kind of dumb cameraman. Oh, yeah, boy. This guy gets most in out of my buddy. Okay. So I will be setting you guys up. I'll be cutting the video a lot, 3 times every time, so I can get the camera in a place. So I'll see you. Bye. Guys, I am back. Okay, so you see that little handle? I'll be trying to shoot it with this bad boy. And if you want to snipe, this is for the job. This will snipe everyone out. And look, there's no jam though. That means no jams at any time. Good. Oh, maybe it does jam. It's just, there's no barrel really, so you can just pick your finger through this and yeah, so maybe that's why there's no jam though. It's like it does maybe jam or jam too. Okay. Firing test. 3, 2, 1, fire! Okay, that was a good one. Come on. I'm gonna try to fire here. See, this is my last one. Oh my god. Okay, that was my last one. Yeah, that was my last one. So we have completed one thing. Yay! Only 2 things left on the job. Let's roll. Hey guys, back. So we have done a few good things. We set the camera. We have done everything. It took like a minute, but we don't want to talk about that. I know when it goes like this. I can't snap anymore. It's because of this gun. And I'm actually gonna break my new gun. Why would someone do that? That's stupid. Okay. This is the firing test. It's something like the accurate test. It's just, well, you're not looking for accuracy. You're just looking how far it can go. Okay. And I don't know if it's gonna get this. The camera's not set too far. Good. Okay. That was a bad one. Well, that's the farthest right now. Okay. Okay, that's too tight now. Okay, wow, that one went far. Okay, we are out. But now we know that this thing is a bad boy. Oh, there goes my gun. And I already had one, but okay, thanks. So as we are going, shut up, ding dong. I don't need you. Woo! I'm on a wall today, boss. The wall. Okay. So we have so this is our baddest one here. Our worst one. This is our second baddest because second worst. Sorry, it's starting to get a little better up here. Then these two are tied. Let's see if we can just get that. Hold on, guys. Let me try to get that right there. Oopsie. God, dude, why is this stuff so hard?
What? Wasn't it easier when I was here?
Shut up, Aiden. So, I don't know if you guys can see this kind of hard, but here it is. They are tied. And our best, which I love the most. Hey, Ding Dong, don't touch my gun! And this is our farthest. Congratulations, Dot, you have won the best dot in the world. Okay, let's go back. Taking all the dots. Yes. So, I'm going to cut the video. I will see you when I get back. Guys, so we are back in the same area. I was now face up. Like straight up. So let's fortunately to see if, guys, can you see the gun? Yeah, see? You see it? Now you, okay guys, ready? Light it up on fire. Ooh.
Holy crap!
Okay. That was a high one. And light it up on fire.
It's oh my god.
Oh wow, that went. From the camera, that looked like it was like over there at Maddie's house. Okay. Bugs everywhere. Got spiller. Okay, you light it up on fire. Okay. So I only want to waste the bullets because this thing's a pain in the butt loading. So yeah. Hold up, let me just get back to this bugs from this kid. Okay, guys, so that is the end of the video of whatever this gun's name is. I don't know anything about this. But if you do, tell me what the name is. I don't know what the name is. Okay, guys, as always, subscribe and leave a like and bye.